weird.
Have you been to the eye doctor?
No, but I need to go. Yeah. Okay, let's just. Oh, is it going?
Oh, it looks like it is. Yeah.
Okay.
You must have hit it. It's been 45 seconds.
Okay. I didn't know. Okay. So let's do number 7.
Okay. That's the down, up, down one. Let me think about it.
Okay, try that again because this goes up to the 3rd string G. You gotta get your C. Again, it goes back to the E. This is that old time 50s. You recognize that? Okay, it's the bass line from the 50s. Okay, good. Let's try it together. Real slow though.
Okay.
Because the picking is hard.
Yeah.
1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Sorry, I screwed up. Ready, go again. 1, 2. Do it again. It's worth the exercise for the pick because it's unusual and it'll really help you with your picking. Ready, go. 1, 2. Good. Okay, about the, why did I put bass there? Oh, I wanted you to bring out the bass in the, yeah. Okay, try that one.
Sorry, I forget what the D is.
That's a D minor. You want the regular D here, which is this. It's the Mickey Mouse one.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're doing up.
Right.
Okay.
Four, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 2. Okay. 4 and 1, A minor. 2. Yeah, about the bass. You're sliding over the strings more like that, or even. But if you can dig into the bass, and it goes. It's sort of like you go a little slower on that bass, or the lower notes. It brings out a better quality than if you're just doing flat. sometimes you want that sound, but when you're doing an accompaniment with somebody, okay, that like, so you're singing for yourself and you're playing your accompaniment, you want to bring out that bass. If you had like a big band thing, I'm not even playing the bass because you would have a bass, okay? But for right now, good, and 2, right. You want to get, so this is sort of like, can you imagine this little thing as an intro to something to be 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. So it's just really just 2 bars, right? That repeat. So you want to make sense out of it like that. Okay. Did we do these?
We did at least the first 2.
Okay. And we just got, that would mean quarters, except for if it's like that, they would want the quarters, or you could make up stuff for yourself as long as you stayed in the meter.
Oh.
But here, if you have something like that, they're assuming that you're continuing with that pattern. Not that that's,
I see. Okay.
Not that that's 4 quarters. But if you don't see a pattern, then it's probably 4 quarters. It might be something like a big band chart or something.
Okay.
Or you can do your own pattern. Okay, I think you're on the wrong fret. You need to come down to the 2nd fret. Both things have to be in the 2nd fret. Right?
Oh, I'm looking at D minor. Wait.
Oh, I thought you were doing A7. Okay. D minor, fine. Let's do D minor. Sorry.
Is that one's on there and that one's on there?
Yeah.
Right, like that?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it. And then slide down for these 2. Let's do the pattern. Number 10. 1, 2, ready. Go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Okay,
sorry.
1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4. Good. Okay, so what is this? 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Prepare yourself mentally for the next change. Okay, I think that's one of the biggest things, being able to switch on time, is that it's in the preparation. Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
We'll go slow. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Good. 2 and 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, 4, and 1. 2 and 3, did it. You did it great. Okay, how about 11? Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, 4.
Oh, wait a minute.
1, 2, and 3, 4, 2. Oh, I switched early. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. Try that second measure. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3. And that's a new one. Yeah. 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. That's it. Okay, good. This one with the 8th note rest. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. On second measure. Okay, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1.
So you're doing down, up.
Okay, now that's the fingers. Down, up, down. Because remember when you have to mute this one and you lift your fingers on that one
Gotcha.
in order to get the rest, because there's only 2 ways you can do that. Okay. So let's start again.
Okay.
Ready, go. 1 and 2, rest and 4. Then D minor, 1 and 2, lift and 4. G, 2 and 4. 1 and 4. Yeah, you get so you know which one you have to do when in order to get that rest in there. And it's a little awkward because you have to alternate in your stuff. So let's do some syncopation with just a single pick. So we're counting 8th notes. So we got our levels are quarter note, 2, 3, 4, 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then remember we added the 16th. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 and. So right now we're doing with 2 levels. You always have to have 2 levels to measure something.
Okay.
Two different things. Okay. So we have our quarter note and our 8th note. So we're tapping these quarter notes, 3, 4, but we're counting 8th notes when we play.
Okay.
And so I'll count out loud. And let's play number 13.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Yeah, so we're skipping 2 because that 8th note ties over from the and to the 2. Okay, so both of these measures are exactly the same. They're just written different. They're showing you what you're really doing.
Okay.
Okay. Try it again. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's called syncopation because it sort of avoids the beat because you're not playing on that beat. You come up with an upbeat. So that's why it's called syncopation.
Okay.
So let's try the second one. See where the tie is in the second measure?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and good. 15. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Yeah, see, most people are obsessed with how long the note lasts. You always get taught that. Quarter note is 1, half note is 2. But really, what you're doing is placing where you place the note, because you don't have to worry about how long it is, because the next one comes on 1, or it might be a rest, but it's on 1.
Mm-hmm.
So know where you're at in the measure on what beat, and have that eighth note in your body, dun 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 dun, and you can't go wrong.
Okay.
Okay, it's just much easier and more accurate. These are syncopated strum patterns, and it's very common. Let's do this one on a G chord. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, you got it flipped back. Let's do it again. And that's one, it just keeps repeating, but sometimes repeating the same thing over and over is really hard. You just got to get it in your body. Okay, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
Start over.
Yeah. Now you're coming down. Okay, so you always have to come down before you go up, because you got 2 ups in a row, but you do have to come down.
Okay.
Okay, that's why sometimes I do 1 and 2 and 4 and just to get that impulse in there. Then you're down, ready for the upbeat, upstroke. It's an upbeat too, but it's an upstroke. Okay, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right. Okay. How about number 17? Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and good. Okay. How about one of your songs? Which one do you want to do?
What's it called? The Horse with No Name?
Horse with No Name?
Oh,
Okay.
actually, I think it's in my book. I'm still throwing myself off with the, what do you call it?
Oh, the mute?
Yeah.
Okay. We're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, as always, that mute is on 2 and 4, right?
Yeah. I don't remember doing those. Are those
Those are the
later?
yeah, those are
Oh, it's up
E
here.
minor
No.
and D6/9.
Which one is that?
This one. So you're actually
So you're doing.
you just do here you're in, here you're out.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're just going in and out.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, were we gonna do this or just keep it the same?
I think we're gonna keep it the same.
Okay. Okay.
Can we try doing it all just like E minor over and over for a bit?
Sure. Okay. Ready, go. Down, down, up.
So you're doing it. Are
On,
you muting 3 times?
I'm muting 2. I think I did it right. 1, 2, 3. No, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. It's on 2 and 4.
Okay.
Just like a hi-hat on a drum. drum set. That's what they do, 2 and 4 all the time.
Okay.
Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2, 3. You're doing it. Always happens. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try switching. Okay, we'll just do 2 measures.
Okay.
Okay, ready, go. 1.
Oh, I missed.
Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me see. You need to come back here a little bit more. So these are,
So you're not playing.
yeah, so you're not
Okay.
muting the other string. There it is. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good. 2, 3, 4. On the first part of the journey. Okay. I'm trying again. We're a little under tempo. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. 2, 3. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no cloud. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sounds. 2, 3, 4. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. Yeah, same thing.
Same thing.
If you want. Yeah.
I started listening to the words, and then I'm like,
Okay. Yeah, the thing when you're putting this together with your voice is to know where you're at in the meter, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Really, and 1 is the most important. So,
oh yeah.
okay. So you really pay attention to that. And yeah, this is a little different now. I've always had versions where it changes,
Okay.
not the fundamental chord, but just the color chords. But this one doesn't, so that's good.
Okay.
Okay, ready? I've been through the desert with the horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. The desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 2, 3, 4 la 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 la. Then it goes back.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, keep trying it now and try to get your voice to it.
Okay.
It's almost, you can just speak it because it's almost the same pitch, but it'll be a little tricky. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. 2, 3, there were plants. So these pickups on the first is
Oh,
1,
okay.
plants is 1.
Mhm.
You know, go by that short spots. But yeah, you're ready to put the voice with it now.
Okay.
Great.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Connor, you want to get your guitar out? I'm gonna put your pick on this